How to create a storybook for Kids Using Procreate, book creators and ChatGPT. First, setting your canvas. This is a step-by-step guide how to create a storybook. You can pause video and read it again. Step 1. How to ask AI to write a kid story. You can ask, can you write a short kid story about vegetables? Then AI created it. But I think I want this story to be simpler and written in the present simple tense, so I asked AI to change it. After the question, please add the previous story as well, so AI will know which story you want to change. Here is the final result. Next, I want to show you another example about asking AI. Can you write a just kid story about cats? And now I'm waiting for the AI respond to me. Again, AI created a nice story, but it has a lot of details. So I asked AI to change it. I want this story to be simple and written in the present simple tense. Here's the final result. Step 2. How to use a book creator app. First, open the app. After you open the app, you will see all the books, but most of them are still blank or no story. I just finished one book. Okay, I will start to show you how to create a storybook. Click one of the cover. This is the first page and it's intended for a cover. Click to go to the next page, or it's a page number 2 and number 3. You will see they are still blank. Select plus icon on the top right, then select photos. Start to import the background. I prepare the backgrounds and the characters on Procreate app, and now adjust the size to fit the page. Next, I will import the first character and then adjust the size. Select plus button on the top right, then select add text. Next, I will add text to describe the story. Next, edit the text. Select the text and click the info icon on the top right. You can change the color of the font, you can change the font size, you can change the font characters, and more. You can check again by yourself. Next, select plus button on the top right, then select add photo. I want to add a broccoli. Next, I will add a pepper. Okay, now I will show you, you can move the object to the front of another object. Just as I want to move broccoli in front of the pepper. So how can I do it? Click the info icon on the top right, then click one of the options at the layout. Yes, now the broccoli is in front of the pepper. Next, create a new page with the plus sign at the right side. By clicking at the pages on the top left, you will see all the pages. Next, I will show you how to add the shapes. Select the plus icon on the top right. Select More or the three dots below, then select Shapes. For this shape, you can add text. So I add hello. Select the shape and edit the shape by clicking at the info icon on the top right. You can change the font character, font size, and also the color. Next, I will show you how to add a background to a single page. Select plus button on the top right, then select Add Photo. I prepare a background. Next, I will try add a characters. Next, how to add emoji icons. Select plus button on the top right, then select pen. There are many emoji icons and you can choose one of them. Alright, now we finished 2 pages. If you want to edit the page 4 to 5, just select it. The last step, I will show you my final result and how to export it. This is my storybook that I already finished it. So at the top left, click my books and it will show you the books that you created. At the bottom, you will see the export or the share icon. And then click it and then you will see 4 options here. Export as EPUB, export as PDF, blah blah blah. Next, I will share some tips with you. Okay, next, how to make the books read for you. First, select the book. And then at the top right, click the play button. Select Read to Me at the top right.
We are a good team. Vegetable. Carrot, broccoli, and pepper are friends in the garden. Carrot leads, broccoli is smart, and pepper is brave. One day, they hear a baby lettuce crying. It fell out of its bed. Help, help, fear not, little lettuce. We will help you. Broccoli lifts the lettuce back into its bed. Lettuce says, thank you. Suddenly, Pepper sees a caterpillar trying to eat a tomato. Pepper shouts, leave it alone. The caterpillar runs away. Broccoli says, nice job. At night, they make a campfire and sing songs. Carrot says, we're friends and can do anything together. The vegetables are happy because they help each other. Subscribe now for more information.
Next, I will show you how to publish the story on a books app. Okay, this is a book creator, and at the bottom select share and then select export as EPUB. Select books. Okay, now open the books app on your iPad. You will see your books is on the shelves or in the library now. This is the last tip, how to make a background on Procreate app. And for more information, you can watch my video on my YouTube channel. Okay, open Procreate app, and first we will set your canvas. Click the plus sign and put the dimensions. Okay, create a new layer. For the first layer, I will add a sky. So select blue color. And please follow my video for the next steps. On the top, select that icon, and on the bottom, you will see select rectangle. And then drag from the top left to the bottom right. Next, create a new layer. This layer will be above the sky layer. Next, I will draw a green curve. It will be a garden for our vegetables. Draw a line and drag color to fill it in. Alright, next, this layer will be above the sky layer and above the garden layer. I will put, or I will draw clouds. So select white color and start to draw a cloud. It's done.